Hello everyone. So if you wanna use a sound equalizer on your Motorola Edge 50 with Dolby Atmos, first of all, you gotta open up your app drawer and find your Dolby Atmos. So I cannot see it on the main screen. Let's look for it somewhere here. Here it is. Press on your Dolby Atmos. Now press on the settings right here at the bottom left side of your screen. Alright, now we have a lot of presets such as portable audio, smart audio, music, movie, game, podcast, and so on and so on. However, we have the coolest one, the custom. Tap on it and now tap on the pencil icon near it. So here you can see your graphic equalizer and different settings. So for example, we can choose from preset equalizers like manual, brilliant treble, bass boost, vocal boost, or manual, and you can adjust each hertz manually. So let's make some great bass, because everyone loves bass as well as I do. Just let's live it this way. All right, also you can turn your surround virtualizer option if you want to, of course, and recommended volume level. And basically that's it. That's how you save it. To save it, simply leave the settings and it will be saved automatically. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.